Okay, if that was you. What is this, a little dollhouse over here? If that was you making the noise in the dollhouse, can you do it again? Come on, do it again. That was cool. Remember, you're not going to get in trouble or anything. Just let me know that you're here. Daggone squirrels. That's what it was. Don't know if you can see them out there. A cat out there too. Don't know if you can see. I'll try to zoom in on it. See that cat right there? Chasing a squirrel up the house. That's what I heard over here at this dollhouse. Thought it was a dollhouse. There's a window right up there. So I just heard that cat out there. Ooh, that's kind of trippy.